Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to interrupt the video real fast and just giving you guys a big thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover on how we did the installation. I didn't get too much footage of us actually putting the part on, but I mean, it's pretty simple. I'll go ahead and try to find a picture of kind of the steps that we did. So number one is we had to take the stock air box off, or just the tubing. And then there's 3 5mm Allen wrench that you would need to take off. And once you take those 3 off, plop them on, or plop it off, sorry, and make sure you don't drop anything in the engine bay. You just get the new one. So with the CTS blow-off valve, on the back of it, it comes with like a rubber gasket. So make sure you don't lose that. That's what kind of happened to us, and that's why I didn't get too much footage, is because we spent so much time trying to look for it, and it actually fell into the intake tubing. We decided to use the factory bolts instead of the new ones, just because it was a little bit bigger and we didn't seem like it was going to be a problem. Nothing has gone wrong so far. And then after that, it's just routing the rubber hose everywhere. So I'm gonna try to find a picture of that, and then hopefully you guys can and see the big picture here. We literally just did it from the instructions. Instructions were pretty good, and overall she is happy with the little blow-off valve. And yeah, I mean, that's it, guys. So this is the old part that you gotta get taken off. Ready?
I'm not ready.
Alright, so what did we just get done doing, babe?
We got done putting on my blow-off valve.
So what is that? I think it's a turtle.
Oh yes, yes, the mating turtle.
off.
Is that not really cool? That thing is sick. Isn't that so cool?
Are you a happy bean?
I'm a happy bean, yes. So I don't know. Ready?
So was it worth it or what?
It was absolutely worth it.
What's going on, guys? So right now we have to go to the tire shop so I can go get my tire fixed. I went to go out again, to go back out to AutoZone, and then I heard I had a nail in my tire. Just my luck, right? So we're gonna go to the place. It's called Menos Tires here in Beaumont. False alarm, people, it didn't penetrate the whole thing. It was literally just in there, so we didn't even need to patch it, so that's a good thing. Now I have some work to do. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I noticed I didn't do an outro for the video, so I'm doing it now. Overall install went pretty good, smoothly, besides rubbing or losing that little rubber gasket, but we ended up finding it. This weekend we also installed an Aerofab wing extension. That was pretty easy. Only thing that was kind of worrisome was popping out the clips on the wing. Aerofab instructions are really good. Probably the easiest thing that we've done. She has a diffuser coming here today. Alrighty, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the near future. We did, however, get a diffuser on yesterday, which was Monday. Looks pretty good, and so go ahead and just look out for that video within this week, I would say. You know what I should do to the BRZ next. I ran a poll, so it was either power mods, so like headers, and then the open flash tablet, just to get it, you know, squeeze a little bit more Hurst purse out of it. Or should I go for more like stance or like stancey parts, so, you know, lower control arms, and just kind of things for suspension to dial in the fitment more. So just go ahead and let me know what you guys would think, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
That car looks badass, man.